Are you searching for a single, reliable partner to handle your diverse manufacturing needs? Look no further than Wurms Diversified Solutions. Formed through the powerful integration of Wurms Woodworking Company and Creative Plastics International, WDS offers comprehensive contract manufacturing solutions from New Washington and Jackson Center, Ohio. At the heart of WDS is decades of expertise in wood processing. Our wood fabrication services are second to none, encompassing precision cutting, intricate milling, and elegant carving, all powered by advanced 3-axis CNC routing technology. Whether you require straight line or contour edge banding or the smooth finish of membrane pressing, our skilled craftsmen and state-of-the-art equipment deliver unparalleled quality and accuracy. We expertly handle a wide array of wood materials, from engineered and composite panels to durable plywood and high-pressure laminates. Whatever your wood manufacturing needs, WDS has you covered. But our capabilities don't stop at wood. Wurms Diversified Solutions also provides a comprehensive range of contract manufacturing services to meet your diverse plastic component requirements. From vacuum thermoforming, pressure forming, 5-axis CNC trimming, in-house tool building, and efficient 3-axis CNC machining, to innovative 3D print farming, we utilize cutting-edge techniques to produce durable and reliable plastic parts that meet the highest standards. We work with a wide selection of materials, carefully chosen for their specific properties to ensure our products precisely match your unique specifications. Whether you need a single plastic prototype or a large-scale production run, WDS is your trusted partner for all custom plastic components. Since the 1980s, Wurms Diversified Solutions has been a leader in thermoform-supported expanded vinyl upholstery. Unlike traditional stitched covers, our seamless vinyl eliminates brittle threads that can break at any point of moisture entry. Since 2005, we've also excelled in assembling pads and cushions using these incredibly durable molded vinyl covers, creating products built to withstand years of use. Numerous niche markets rely on us for exclusive, custom-designed seamless vinyl covers, pads, and complete cushion assemblies, all built to OEM customer drawings. Wurms Diversified Solutions seamlessly blends the friendly, personalized service you expect from a family-owned business with the profound expertise of a market leader. With over 75 years of unrivaled manufacturing experience, WDS has built a reputation as a trusted and reliable partner for all your wood, plastic, and seamless vinyl upholstery fabrication needs. Experience the WDS difference. We're your single-source solution from components to complete assembled product fulfillment. To discover more about our vast capabilities spanning our impressive 145,000 square feet of processing machinery, please visit wurmsproducts.com. Contact us today and let Wurms Diversified Solutions bring your manufacturing visions to life.